I'm Poertner, and today we're roaming RoCo at the Roanoke County Library with Allyson.
Hi, Em. Thanks for having me on.
Of course. Allyson's our community engagement librarian, and today we're going out with the Bookmobile.
We are headed up to Catawba Valley Farmers Market, so let's go inside, let's pack up and get ready to go. We have our bins of books. These are a couple examples of our juvenile nonfiction and then some of our picture books and board books. We basically curate the collection based on where we're going. So because we're going to the farmer's market today, we are bringing some fun vegetable books, books about being outside, science books, cookbooks for adults. We have some books that I'm gonna stack in our little free library, as well as some puzzles. So I think that might be fun for them. Our prize wheel, we love to take this to schools and other locations to get people to come over to our table.
Why don't we take this downstairs and get the Bookmobile ready to roll out?
So this is gonna go on the side with the adult crate.
This is actively not wanting me to put books in here.
And I will tuck this right in here. We have Kelsey with us and we're ready to roll.
I'm so excited. So the WOW Bookmobile has pulled up to the Catawba Valley Farmers Market. So now we have to unpack, set up our tent, set up our tables, and get our books ready for our patrons. So now comes the task of untetrising the car.
We just got new signs, so we'll have to figure out a good placement for them. That looks about right.
I feel like this is like the most convenient part of the Bookmobile, to be able to slide everything out so you don't have to actually unload all of the books that you put in.
Yes, they put in these dual truck bed sliders, so we were shopping for them and I had no idea what that even meant. But these are really great adult browsing shelves, especially when it's raining, so you can slide them back in very quickly. So we always try to bring Clifford and Cat in the Hat with us. The preschoolers, toddlers especially, love to see the characters on the van, and I always joke that they ride along with me and keep me company when I don't have people like Kelsey to do so. So it brings people over so we can get more customers to the library.
All right, Kelsey, we got these new signs, so let's go find a place for them.
All right, let's do it.
Should we do one by the entrance?
That sounds good.
Yeah, have you been having fun with the Bookmobile?
Yes, it's been really fun. It's actually my first ride in the Bookmobile.
Ooh.
Yeah, so it was quite a fun little 30-minute journey here.
Yeah. One of us should stay out here and do the, like the man on the street, like flip.
That'll get some attention.
Just on the
right
other
next to
side.
it?
Yeah, we'll be buddies.
I like it.
We've already had a couple patrons come over and get their buttons, sign up for the summer reading list, spin the wheel, had a couple fidget spinners, had a couple beach balls, and now Allyson and Kelsey are doing their work.
So this is our June, July, August calendar, and this is for all 6 of our branches. And then on the back it tells you a little bit more about the summer reading program, our limited edition badges. This is an example of our Bookmobile pin. This is the smaller version. But you can collect a pin at every branch that you go to. So we have 6 branch pins that are specially designed for that particular branch, but you have to go to the branch to get them. The challenge about the Bookmobile pin is that you have to find the Bookmobile in the wild. So I saw one of our patrons over there earlier who I know was looking for her Bookmobile pin.
But we found her in the wild. So
you found me in the wild. So you get to take your Bookmobile pins home with you. I have this size, and then I have the smaller version like this. I think if you make an effort to find me in the wild, that you get at least 1 pin, if not 2 or 3.
You got the fidget! Is that the one you wanted?
Ooh.
Those are always a favorite with the kiddos.
So you came over to the Bookmobile. Is this your first time visiting it?
It's my first time seeing it in the wild.
Yeah, it sounds like when you were talking to Allyson that you tracked her down. You were, I need to come here and see you.
It's in their pamphlet of the different places that you can see the Bookmobile. And it ended up working really well. And it's been great with the kids, and it worked out, and we did a picnic on the playground.
Oh, that's lovely. So what was your favorite part about seeing them out in the wild today?
Well, the spin wheel was nice. And just getting to catch up and to just know that I used to live out in Lower Catawba Creek Road when I was a teenager, and to know that, like, if I had had this when I was younger, I would have had more opportunities to check out books.
You don't necessarily have a library real close, so it's important to come out and yeah, have the opportunity to get books to kids out here, but
Yeah.
also promote everything that the library has going on.
I really appreciate what Roanoke County libraries do, the Roanoke City libraries, Botetourt libraries. They have really opened a lot of doors for us as far as a budgeting family, that we got to go to the zoo for free, Kids Square for free, and get to experience like the different activities. My kids have gotten to see animals, they've gotten to do sensory play, and so they've really helped me as a mom in all the different things that my kids get to do through the programs and stuff. We love our libraries.
So what's the most number of books you've ever had checked out in a day from the Bookmobile?
That is a great question, Em. I can't tell you the most number of books. I might estimate around 20, but I will say we just visited an assisted living facility for the first time out in Vinton, and they checked out 10 books, and nobody actually knew that we were going to be there. It was just a happy surprise, and so I said we can get our circulation numbers way up with that because they want books. So it's always just really exciting for me when people check out something, because that means they have a library card and they're using their library. And so, you know, sometimes this is just a marketing tool to promote library services, but other times people actually see a book that they didn't see at their local library that they can get to.
Yeah, especially since you curate so much of it. You're like, I know what's good and it's right here. I took all the good stuff for the Bookmobile.
So that's an example of we call them easy readers or I can reads.
So Allyson, walk us through your setup. You say people can actually check out books and get library cards from this laptop.
Yes, so I bring my laptop to all the locations. I basically just bring my scanner along as well, which makes checkout a little faster for the patron, but I don't have to have the scanner. I can always type in the barcodes if needed. And then my phone, I use the hotspot on my phone to connect to the internet. Another way is that we actually check out Wi-Fi hotspots at the branch, so I could use one of the Wi-Fi hotspots as well to access internet. That's pretty cool. You're gonna have to let me know how it works, okay?
Y'all got an air pump or something?
We're here with Pam, the market coordinator for the Catawba Valley Farmers Market. Pam, can you tell us a little bit more about the market here?
Absolutely. We are into our 15th season of the farmers market being here in the Catawba Valley, and it seems like it has grown. People come through and just say this is the most friendliest market there is in the valley, and they truly enjoy our products that we offer and just the people here, that is very friendly. And our customer base has really grown over the years. We are averaging well over 100 people per Thursday. And again, we're here every Thursday from 3 to 6:30 until mid-October.
And we have a very special vendor here today that I rolled up with. Can you tell us a little bit about what the Bookmobile has added to the farmers market?
Absolutely. Roanoke County Library has been with us for a few years now, but this year they have brought out the Wow Mobile. But we've had families come through to say they love checking out the books. Allyson has been great to work with, of asking people, what do you want to see in our books? What do you want me to bring you?
Yeah, so if people wanted to find out more about the Catawba Valley Farmers Market, how could they find you?
They can go to our website, which is catawbafarmersmarket.com. We also have a Facebook page, and we post information about our vendors. We also post a weekly newsletter describing what each vendor will have with them that particular week. So it's great information that's on both of those sites.
We're wrapping up here at the Catawba Valley Farmers Market. I've had so much fun today with Allyson, Kelsey, and the Words on Wheels Bookmobile. I'll see you next time as we roam Roanoke County.